Some of the technologies we will use throughout this unit is YouTube. YouTube will allow students to reference a bunch of resource videos that we've created in the primary software that they'll be using, Autodesk Revit. There's a lot of little commands and a lot of little buttons to remember. So we have created 30 to 60-second videos on how to do commands very quickly. Then we will also use the Google Suite. We use Google Slides for all of our presentations. All of the steps for the project are laid out in Google Slides that students have access to. We use Google Docs to provide them handouts and worksheets, and then Google Forms to get feedback from them at the end or do any type of quick assessments. We can use the Google form as a quiz. But again, our primary focus is the Revit Autodesk software, which is a 3D modeling architectural software that a majority of professionals use. So this is kind of the main software, the main technology that we will use throughout this project.